Hi everyone, welcome to our Color Challenge collab. I am doing this collaboration with Spontaneous Creations by Bryan, Shelli Anderson Art, Art Flow by Mo, and Darnell Shoemaker Art. So we have 5 great artists playing around with colors that I feel don't go together. So we let the newbies, who is Darnell and Shelli, pick the colors, and I picked the techniques with a wheel. So it was very fair. We did a draw. So our first color that we'll be using today is Silver Lake Metallic. These are all Pou'rage Posse paints. This is our Silver Lake Metallic. It's absolutely a gorgeous color. Very tough with some of these other colors we're going to be using. Our second color is Black Ice Metallic. This has a beautiful bronzy finish to it when it dries. It's a beautiful color, but it's very hard to work with because of the bronze in it. So we'll see how it plays along today. Our next color is Maria's Shimmering Spruce. It's a beautiful olivey green metallic. It's gorgeous. Then, of course, we'll be using our Gold Rush. It's just a staple in our house, right? Everybody loves gold, and our gold plays very well. And our final color is Antique Copper. And you can tell, you know, if you look at these 4 colors here, you really wouldn't want to put that in there, especially with the green. I'm always afraid of mud, but we had to use it, so we added that to the challenge, and those are our 5 colors. So after me is Shelli Anderson Art. We'll have the description links below. After each video, just click and you can go to the next person. Of course, there's 5 of us. 15-minute videos. It won't take long. But thanks so much for joining us, and enjoy my video.
I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you, all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move, wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. My eyes. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose.
So here are my dried result. Actually, I did 2 videos. I'll show you the other one as well. My other video was just a little too dark, so we bumped it up. So these are the beautiful fingers. It just dried so pretty, and I just love the lines in here. But this will look gorgeous once I get some shine on here. I would probably hang it like this or like this. This is kind of cool. Let me grab the other one and you can see the other one. This had those lines a little tighter. It was a great video, but like I said, it was too dark. I need to get my lighting situation fixed out here. I cannot film at night for some reason. So this is pretty too. So they actually kind of go together. One's busier than the other, huh? But I do like this here better than this here. But I'm very happy with both of them. It was a fun challenge. I want to just say thank you to all the artists that participated in this challenge. Thanks for not giving me any grief about the technique that you got stuck with. I had just a straight pour, did a little jiggle, and mine came out pretty. I love that the Silver Lake took over and not the antique copper and the green, but it really showed up in this one. It's gorgeous right there. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and head on over to Shelli's channel next, where you can watch her create something fun. Bye now.